Hi guys, welcome back. Today is December 17th and I'm about to make snow angels.
Oh, nice. Okay, let's go inside.
Let's go to the park.
See, look at this. Somebody is trying to pull a sled. See?
Can we do that?
Well, let us see later. Come on. So this is the park, and it's filled up with snow.
Oh god, I don't need these.
Don't do that. You need to put on your helmet.
It's very cold.
See the cars? Cars passing by. Gabby's playing. Gabby, describe the snow to me. Come here. Describe how the snow to me.
Very cold.
Come here. Come close.
It's very cold. And I already got it on my skin.
Do that. Okay, describe it to me.
It's very cold.
Just go over there. Okay? Over here, over here, over here.
Oh. It's very cold and very hard to walk in here. It feels like paradise. No paradise.
Today is mostly clear with patches of clouds, and it's a nice day for children or kids to play, like Gabby.
It's very deep.
Oh wow, how many inches do you think is that?
11.
Yeah, I don't think so. It's like less than 11.
It hurts. Okay. Even look on the benches. Snowy benches.
Are you clearing the benches?
Okay, we're gonna do more to the benches.
Whoa, you can do it. Oh my god. Oh, wow, look at that big chunk. Whoa, nice.
This is the best. I've done this before, but this time I'm vlogging it. You know that? Remember that time when I was like,
Bring it around.
when I was little?
So, when was the first time you experienced snow, Gabby?
I don't know. You know that.
Oh my god. You're literally like, what? Wow, you clear it up.
Fun.
Oh my god, look at that, Gabby. Look at those kids over there. They build like, what is that, a snowman over there?
Where?
Careful, there's a railing, Gabby, there's a railing.
Let's build a snowman. Yeah.
You want to build a snowman?
Mhm.
How about, let me,
Over there.
okay, come on. Let's build over here.
Ah! Ah!
Okay. Alright. Okay, let's build over here, okay? This is our spot, okay? 1 second. I'm gonna say bye first and then
We'll show you the final result.